Hey, welcome back to the channel, Oliver's Musical Genius in Search of the Perfect Jam. This is the channel where I practice for at least 10 minutes on every single video as I progress towards 10,000 hours of practicing. This video is brought to you by GetYaSomeProductions.com, my music production company and podcast. This video is also brought to you by GetYaSomeGuitar.com, my guitar lesson website. I'm going to be playing a song called Fine. I don't even know what the name of it is going to be. Kind of a song about me recognizing, links in the description of all the stuff that I just mentioned. Kind of a song about me reflecting upon, I guess, my mortality and having had a daughter and I guess her living on to, I don't know, continue this, whatever it is, whatever life is. I don't even know what life is. Anyway, I'm going to play the song and then I'm going to play, then I'm going to hit my Donner triple looper and jam so that I can satisfy those 10 minutes that I always promise to play on every video. A soldier swims through crimson tides, unarmed, unprepared. What brings us new into this world in need of repair? This battlefield is filled with souls sincere and naked. A cell is destined to be everything you make it. Shit. I knew exactly who I was, but I wasn't much. Now I'm much more, but worse and worn. I lean on my crutch. When you run through life, you can see that face behind you. The future takes, make no mistake, the race reminds you. I finally found her. Won't play the fool, I know the rules. I'm not the founder. Let myself go until I know you cannot trace me.